myself to you. My name is Rehaan. Today I will explain about the greatest inventor Thomas Alva Edison. He inventing electric bulb. Thomas Alva Edison. He considered as the greatest inventor of all time. He was born in a poor American family in 1847. He liked to do experiments. He failed in all his experiments. He learned lot from them curiously. Once he saved life of station master. As a reward, he get a job as a telegraph operator. And he saved more money and opened workshop. Some of the inventions are electric bulb, etc. Carbon, electric bulb, etc.